Welcome friends in our official YouTube channel Team Warrior India. Guys, I'm going to share you a very good news as you are watching on this screen that Atomic Columbia is going to launch very soon, and Atomic Columbia registration is going to open very soon on 15th of October 20, as per Colombian time evening 7 p.m. okay, and as per Korean time 16th of October 9 a.m. okay. So this is the very great news and biggest news for all our Colombian friends who want to join global atomic network. Okay guys, so definitely as we have seen in past 10 years, atomic global record breaking news. Okay, as you know, recently Atomy opened 46 countries registration recently, and as you know, 15th country Atomy already startup, and India is 16th country. In next month in November, Atomy India will open shopping mall very soon. And recently this good news came today that Atomic Columbia registration will open on 15th of October 2020. So I will share you the basic information of Atomic Columbia registration details. So kindly guys, those who are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe this channel, and those who want to join Atomic Columbia with smartest Atomic India team, that is Team Warrior India, you can join with us. Our number you will get on the screen as you are watching, and you will get in descriptions. You can join us, the biggest Atomy India Team Warrior, and we will support you definitely. And our education system is very strong globally, and we will give you full support of our education system and training support and A to Z information of the Atomy. Definitely we will give you full training of the Atomy. As you know, we are working last 3 years without paying, because Atomy is going to be open very soon in India, and wherever Atomy opened in any country, record breaking opening. Okay, as you seen in past that Atomy is currently on DSN news. Okay, on it is the top 100 most companies of the world. Atomic position is the 11th in the, and as you know, recently China open and India is going to open in next month of November, and we will see in future that Atomic global position will be in top 5 or top 7. Okay, recently Atomic Columbia registration will open. After that you have to complete your KYC, you can create your team. Okay, so before launching officially in Colombia, if you can create a good team, and before launching officially in Colombia, you have to develop leadership. Okay, if you will develop leadership, definitely when Atomy will open in Colombia, your team will boom, and definitely you and your leaders maximum will achieve mastership awards. Okay, maximum your leaders will achieve mastership awards, and after that you can start with a good income. And with duplication of the leadership in your downlines, definitely will help you. Atomic Team Warrior will help you globally, no doubt. Okay, and if you want to join with the smartest Atomic team in India, you can join with us with Team Warrior, and you will get full support. Now I am going to share you the official news. As you have seen in our screen, this is the official news, and this is a downside. You can see the Atomic Columbia customer care number. You can call there if you have any kinds of query and doubts. You can call Atomic Columbia customer care center, they will support you. Okay, so this is the Korean news, and this is also in Korean news. So I will suggest you, this is also your Colombian language. Okay, and something I want to share you here. Okay, membership registration guidelines. Okay, so Atomic Columbia membership registration guidelines you are watching on the screen. First of all, I would like to tell you the website of the Atomic Columbia. As you have seen, www.atomic.com/co. it has only 6 steps. First step, you have to register, you have to log in the website with sponsor ID, and second, you have to be agree terms of use agreement. You have to read each and every terms of agreements, code of ethics, principles, policies of Atomy. In step third, you have to fill the basic details like name, surname, password, repeat password, guest password, mobile number, your address, your pin code, like that. Basic information you have to fill. Fourth step, designate your sponsor. You have to choose the sponsor ID under which you want to join. And in fifth step, you have to check your registration details again. If you have committed a mistake, that you can reconsider it and again you can correct it. Okay, last step is the registration complete. Okay, so before Atomy is going to open in Colombia, you have to complete your KYC. Okay, so that in KYC you have four steps. First step, you have to log in your user ID and password. After the second step, you have, before generating commission, Atomy will tell you that please update your bank details. You have to input your RUT and bank account through Atomy official websites, and a copy of ID, RUT with verification code and bank account certificate you have to send on official Korean email, colombia@atomy.kr. You have to email there, and verification will take up to 2 business days. And within 2 business days your verification will be completed. After that you can receive your commission when Atomy Colombia will open officially. So when Atomy Colombia shopping mall will open officially, Atomy Colombia will tell you to update your bank details. Once commission generate, before commission they will tell you. Okay, so this is the part of Atomy Colombia. They will inform you later on, no problem, don't worry. Okay, your first part is to create a team in Colombia, and if you want to become fastest Impel Master, your team should be international in each and every countries. If your team spread it in internationally, definitely you will get the easiest mastership and fastest mastership levels you can achieve. And Team Warrior working in globally, you will get our full support, our full education system and training support you will get. Definitely we will train you and your leaders, and we want that when Atomy Colombia will open, from Team Warrior side you will get your mastership, and maximum leaders from our Team Warrior Colombia members will get success in first phase of the Atomy Colombia when open officially. Okay, so this is our basic idea. If you want to join Team Warrior India, you can join with us, and you can call us, you can follow us on social media. You will get all kinds of our social media links in our description, and you can WhatsApp me personally. I will guide you definitely, and we will support you globally, and we will give you best education system of the Atomy, and you and your full team will get the best education system and training support from Team Warrior India. And those who are new on our channels, kindly subscribe this channel. Definitely we will give you the latest information of the global Atomy. Thank you very much friends.